All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with this little fella. It is a pretty cool one, Lionsteel TiSpine. So there is a little bit of a, not match, but a little bit of stick, not that much, but if you see the blade is off center, I don't know, I never tried to open one of these guys up, and let's go. It's an integral, so we just have one T8 screw here to remove. We are gonna meet some Teflon washers on the inside. Just gonna grab like some of these tools, like to push out the pivot, something like that. All right, so pivot is out. Now we're just gonna pull the blade like so, very, very gently. There you go. So we get one washer that is left inside. And with the help of these tweezers, I'm just gonna, there you go, pull it out. So basically we are left with this solid chunk of titanium, which is pretty cool. You can see this stop pin, which is screwed in from the outside right over here. So very simple construction. Let's clean it up. All right, I'm just gonna grab, where is this alcohol swab, right over here. And starting from the Teflon washers, which I mean, it's good for maintenance because it's fine, but maybe, I don't know, I would have preferred some phosphorus bronze washers, maybe. I don't know, I think they're more durable, but the action is smooth, I have to say that. So let's just clean this side of the blade. That's pretty cool. And just gonna grab one of these, look at this, pretty cool Q-tip holder. So I'm just gonna wrap this fella kind of like this, and then I'm just gonna go inside the frame from this side over here. That was dirty, yeah, for sure. I guess I clean all the crevices inside, do the pivot area, and this side as well. That's very good. We can get another one like so, and we can do another pass. Actually, we can do pass on the outside, definitely, to make this polished titanium like shine. That's very good. So now we can do this kind of thing, and there you go. So we have all the internals pretty clean. There you go. That looks good to me. Clean up all the inside here as well. Wow, look at that gunk. So should I remove the clip? Oh, look at this. Oh, this guy didn't come with the actual key. This is like a proprietary screw, which I don't have. I'm not going to use any pliers or anything here, but you get the idea. So under the clip there's a lot of dirt. So there you go. So we got a clean frame like that. We got a clean blade, which is very good, and very nice lizard Damascus. And now it's time to put this thing back together. And let's see. So I'll use some of these nano oil, just 10 weight, I think is gonna do the trick. I'll do like a couple drops here, 3 drops on this side as well. Then I'm just gonna sandwich these washers over here. Trying like to spread a little bit of this nano oil, maybe like 1 drop here and maybe 1 drop there. And now we gotta align this from here to here. So just releasing the tension here, keeping the 2 washers kind of pinched like that. They just need to go right here, you see, like at this point. So then you can just wiggle kind of like your way in. But you see there's other washer like on this side. It was left behind. So I'm just gonna hook it kind of like this and drag it back, you see. And now the blade in place, I'm just gonna try to center everything with these little tool like so, you see. You try just to center the washers. Let's see. Here you go. So this feels not right. Oh yeah, maybe I'm on the other side. Right? This was on this side. Yeah. So we are good. Because the pivot is spinning right over here, I'm not using any thread lock because it would be kind of like a pain. Because, you know, we don't want that. So here we are. Alrighty, so we already see that the blade is centered and we like that. I am going to add a little bit of oil on the detent ball, just a tiny little drop like so. So it just nicely. Okay, that's good. And I think we're pretty satisfied. I mean, a little bit tight. There you go. Very centered, right? Blade is solid, there's no blade play. I am going to do another little thing to this blade because this is a lizard Damascus. So I'm just using a little bit of mineral oil, you see, just a little couple drops just to coat the blade with a protective film of mineral oil. Look at this. Just a little, you know, a couple drops like that, and just with your finger you can rub it and leave like a very thin film, right? So even here, so we coat this pretty gorgeous lizard Damascus. I believe is Devin Thomas, might be wrong guys, but anyhow this is how you maintain and center. If it's a little bit off center, probably was the pivot just a little bit loose. A Lionsteel TiSpine. There you have it guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.